Hi little bunnies! Today we are going to learn what? The sound of the letter C. What's the sound of the letter C? K, 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 k. Show me, where is the capital C? Capital C, yes. Oh, where is the simple C? Yes, very good. Simple C. What's the sound of the letter C? K, 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 k. K, 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 k. Cow. Then who is this? Cat. K, k, cat. K, k, cat. What's this? Cupcake. K, k, cupcake. K, k, cupcake. Okay. Then who is this? Crab. K, k, crab. K, k, crab. Now you know, little bunnies, what's the sound of the letter C? Tell me again. K, 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 k. Say k, 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 k. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.